about it.
I'm Blake Jones, and I'm a peer educator with Common Youth Service, and I've been volunteering for the past 2 years. And within the 2 years, I've helped at weekly futsal sessions, and sometimes we volunteer on a Monday. So it's just different sports sessions for kids between 11 and 25.
And what skills have you developed?
I've gained more confidence, so I can talk to people and stuff. I can just go up to someone now and talk to them. I don't even have to know them.
And has it helped you with job applications?
Yeah, that has. Yeah. Before I used to volunteer, when I used to go into interviews and stuff, I was really shy. But I'm not shy anymore. I can go in and be really confident, and it's helped me get a job with inner mechanics.
Brilliant. Thank you, Blake.